Are tangled cables and messy wires ruining the look of your home theater? Imagine a clean, clutter-free entertainment area where cables disappear behind the wall, giving your space a sleek, professional vibe. The Easy Mount Cable Organizer Kit is designed to do exactly that, helping you organize power and audio-video cables quickly and effortlessly behind your wall-mounted TV. When I first set up my media room, the cable chaos was overwhelming. I tried different faceplates and covers, but they all felt bulky or outdated. Then I found the Easy Mount Cable Organizer Kit. It includes 2 low-voltage cable plates with mounting wings that eliminate the need for a bulky bracket. Installation was straightforward and fast, no special tools or complicated steps required. The result? A modern, streamlined look that instantly upgraded the entire room's feel. This kit isn't just about aesthetics, it's about transforming your space into a high-end home theater or media room without the professional installation price tag. Whether you're converting a basement or sprucing up a spare room, the Easy Mount Cable Organizer Kit cleans up the mess and hides those unsightly cables where they belong, out of sight. What you get with this kit is simple but effective: 2 easy mount low-voltage cable plates and mounting wings that make installation a breeze. No more bulky faceplates or tangled wires spoiling your setup. Instead, you get a clean pass-through solution that fits right behind your TV, giving your entertainment area a polished, modern finish. If you're someone who values a neat, professional look without spending hours on installation, this kit is worth a look. It's designed to save time and give your home theater the upgrade it deserves. Plus, top reviews from users across the United States praise its value and ease of use, proving that it's not just a promise, but a practical solution. Ready to give your home theater that clean, organized look? The Easy Mount Cable Organizer Kit makes it simple. Try it when you're ready to say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to a more polished entertainment space.